It is an absolutely gorgeous day here in Northern Maryland, so I would like to invite you to step outside with me and let's practice 5 minutes of mindfulness, connecting with nature through our sensory experience. It's this great balancing practice. So often our inner world dominates our experience, and we give all of our focus to our thoughts and our emotions. And just to step outside and bring some attention to the sounds, the sensations, it really has this balancing effect that naturally brings this sense of calm and ease into our experience. So hopefully you've stepped outside by now. I'm going to invite you to close your eyes. And let's start our practice with 3 deep breaths. And on each of these 3 deep breaths, let's notice the scent in the air as we inhale. So let's take a deep breath in and sigh it out. Another deep breath in. And lastly, inhale. And let it go. And just open your awareness up to the sounds that surround you. I got a breeze moving through the trees and some birds here, noticing whatever you have in your environment. And as you listen, your thoughts might chime in now and again, and that's okay. They're going to be part of that listening practice. We're going to witness both our inner world and our outer world. Thoughts and sounds coming and going into and out of our awareness. And we let go. To listen in this way can be a wonderful teacher. More often than not, those sounds come and go, and we don't push against them. We don't indulge them. We just let them move through. And so to practice just the same with our thoughts is transformational. We just listen. We'll continue to listen. We'll start to soften our focus just a bit more and welcome in our felt sensation of the present moment. So sensing our environment, the warmth of the sun, coolness of the breeze, the feel of the chair or surface that's supporting our bodies. Yourself to feel the environment. Doing your best to embrace whatever comes your way. If it's a bit too hot or a bit too cold, just see if you can sit with those sensations. And we can welcome this same quality of feeling into our inner world. Noticing the feel of emotion in the body. Is there a heaviness or a lightness, a tension or an ease, emotionally speaking? Doing our best to embrace whatever presents itself. Feeling within and without. Just a few moments more to feel and to listen within and without, and to really welcome this balance. Welcome this quality of just being. I'm not fighting against my headspace or my heart, no more than I'm fighting against my external sounds, sensations. I'm just gonna be. Surrender myself. And let the present moment hold me. Just as I am. Close out our meditation together just as we started, with our 3 deep breaths once again, noticing the scent in the air, embracing, welcoming that fresh air as we take a deep breath in through the nose. And we sigh it out. A deep breath in. And lastly, inhale and let go. Opening the eyes as you're ready.